So I finally made it to Bagan. It was about an 8-hour journey. I had a little bit of a karmic incident, unfortunately. I was short with the guy on the bus. I was being rude, and then I left my sneakers on the bus. So luckily I have water shoes that I can wear and flip-flops. But another lesson from the universe: whenever I am mean to people, something happens almost immediately. But it's okay. I'm in good spirits. It's a good lesson to learn. It's beautiful here. There's tons of temples that I'm excited to check out. So one funny thing that happened. So in Myanmar, if you get a bus, it'll drop you off like 30 to 45 minutes from where you need to be. And then there's taxi drivers who wait there to charge you way too much to get to where you actually need to be. And I did not have that much cash at all on me. I had like 8,000 kyat and they wanted 15,000. And I was like, I don't have it. Like, is there a money changer or whatever? And they were like, no. And they were nice to me, and they put me in a cab. And usually you have to pay $25 to get in the Bagan area, which is like 35,000 kyat. And they were like, okay, so when we get to the check stop, you need to lay down in the back of the cab so that they don't know that you're in there. So they snuck me through. So I saved like 25 bucks getting into Bagan. I didn't have to pay because they snuck me in because I didn't have any money.
Oh, chore.
Yeah.
Do I inhale it? The grandmas inhale it, so I will inhale it. Okay, let's give it a hit. You want to picture me? Like,
Yeah. Perfect. Tofu salad, and please try. It's nice.
Nice.
Cool.
This is the biggest temple in Bagan. The king who built it made sure the bricks were all laid so perfectly that if there was even space for a needle, he would chop the worker's hand off. It was built in the 12th century, and the king was pretty evil. He killed a lot of people. He killed his father and brother in order to ascend the throne. Bagan is absolutely incredible. The tours are great and all, but to really experience Bagan, you want to rent a scooter, head out on your own, find a little pagoda that's away from everybody else, and just spend some time in thought. It's unlike any other thing that you could experience anywhere on Earth. That's the way up.
But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own.
This is so cool. There's over 2,000 pagodas still standing in Bagan. And there's these dirt paths that you can ride on in order to get to each pagoda. And just getting lost in the dirt roads and riding in between these beautiful pagodas it's unique. If you have some friends in a hostel, you can try some of the more adventurous pagodas that are more out there. Maybe do a little bit of climbing, even though it is technically now illegal as of like last year. But if you're gonna do it, be safe, be respectful, make sure that you're not breaking bricks off of the temple and all that. So this is the path to Temple 446. It's the one temple that we found that we can safely climb away from authorities and catch the sunrise and the sunset. So you have to drive past the main mound that people watch sunset from. And you go down this dirt road, and eventually you want to park your scooter when you can see the temple and go by foot the last leg of the journey. Stay to the edge of the field because it can get muddy if you go deeper in there. This is the temple we're gonna climb. So you go up this way, you climb the crease, sit on the wall, and then you get to the top part, and then you're up. Yeah, I'm like sweating like bullets. Sneak through. There's steps over there. Just sneak through that little hole.
Yeah, just go down this hole.
Can you? That's easier for you than climbing. Up. Yeah, this is the biggest. It's probably the biggest one you can climb on.
Nice.
All right, I'm sweating bullets, but we got everyone to the top of Temple 446. The view doesn't suck. You get the entire valley behind you. Pink, purple skies, and a magnificent piece of history left behind from a former time. Perfect view of the balloons launching off and the watchtower. It's been a great morning. What do you think, Guy?
Oh, the view up there is amazing. You should see the drone shots.
Yeah. We'll cut to the drone shots.